Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video and yet again watching another video of mine. I want to thank y'all too for giving my Miracle Knots video so much love. It continues to blow up and I'm just so grateful for that. So thank you guys. So we got a little dilemma. Okay, I have recently became more of a blow dry natural. I am on a journey to waist length and just retaining my length. I always get to about like here. And then I realized, oh my gosh, I have split ends and they've been traveling up for like months. So I have to cut it off. We are trying to break that cycle. With that being said, I am so active, guys, and keeping my hair in this blown out state is just not working for me. I'll blow it out, it looks all good, and then I go to volleyball or I go to the gym and my roots are sweated out and my ends are reverting. I have been looking for styles to last me at least a week because that is how I can keep my hands out of my hair and retain the most length for me. It was my wash and goes, but my wash and goes were giving me lots of single strand knots and I wasn't retaining any length with those. My hair would grow a lot, but I couldn't retain the length. Anyways, today's video, we are going to be doing a flexi rod set. I think I am going to put 2 braids here at the very beginning because I'm trying to grow my edges back out. They have not been growing ever since I've been doing more slick back styles, and really they've just been breaking off. Even when I put my hair in ponytails like this, I could just feel like the tension on the very front part of my head. All right, y'all, I'm yapping too much. Let's get it going. So I said that I was gonna make 2 braids in the front to kind of limit the tension that I'll be putting on my edges throughout the week. I'll put a little braiding gel on my edges a little bit to just kind of pull everything in. All right, now that I got these 2 braids in, I'm going to start the perm rod process. I'm just using these purple ones that I have. Using these and one product today, which is kind of new for me, which is this Most Def Mousse by the Doe. Not to mention, these braids are probably just gonna make my style look newer for a lot longer, because the edges are like the first thing to puff up when you do a new style. So also we're going to be doing brick parting. It's not just for braids, y'all. Do brick parting with your braid outs, your whatever you do, twist outs, perm rod sets. That way when you separate your hair, you have very low manipulation to do to your roots. You don't have to pick or anything. Everything pretty much just lays in place. Alrighty, I'm not gonna do super small parts because y'all know me, I'm kind of lazy. Don't need super neat parts. I think I'm gonna put this on TikTok too. Y'all okay if I get content for TikTok too? This is the first section. W parting, right? From this. Putting a few squirts on there. Alright, so right now I'm just trying to smooth it out as much as I can, making sure there's enough product on there. I'm putting tension on the roller at all times. And I'm moving my wrist around like this, combing it out when I feel like it's not as smooth as it can be anymore. And then I keep going. All right, now I'm at the end. Take a little bit more of the foaming gel and I put it around and up. Alright, and I close that bad boy up. Then I, just to make sure it's tight enough, I'm twisting it as I fold the top one down. Don't make it too tight, y'all, now. You can do that too. Alright, first one is done. I'll do the next one facing away the camera so y'all can see a bit better. My hands are sticky. Alright, next one. They say the way your hair looks on the curler is how it's gonna look when it comes down. So really try to smooth your hair out as much as you can. Dry. I literally went to church right after I finished. So I let it air dry for about 6 hours. And then at the end of the night, it was like 11:40, 30-ish. And I sat under the dryer for almost an hour. It was more like 45 minutes. And then I slept in these last night, which actually surprisingly was not terrible. I think it's because of the way that I spaced them out and how I kind of laid them in between each other that I was able to sleep comfortably. I found like flat spots all over my head. I did my makeup. I'm about to go to work here in about an hour. Try to get some time in for a little bit of reading before I go too, but let's unbox this hair with me. Just a little bit of oil. Y'all, it feels like really good. Is it dry? It's dry. Look how bouncy. shine. I'm getting very excited. Very excited. Look at that shine. Alright, so this is one that I was trying to fix towards the end. I guess it came apart again. So also I have this tube top on because I couldn't fit my work shirt over these. The fun part. These parts are gonna go up like this. Y'all, am I cooking for this video? Go in the direction of the curl. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna just try to separate it where it naturally is trying to separate. Some people don't like a cast. I like a hard cast. I want my hair to sound crunchy because that just means it's gonna last very long. So far, so good. Every time my fingertips are getting dry, I rub more. Really making sure I'm getting oil on my ends too, because I just want them to be very protected throughout the week. See how when you go the wrong way, the curl does something weird? There we go. If you ever run into a section that isn't trying to separate on its own as much, kind of just do what I did there. You can even twist it at the end, and then it kind of just separates a bit more. Okay. All right, now I need to see if there's any pieces that I want to make a bit bigger. My hair already looks kind of big though. It's raining outside too, guys. kind of bald a little bit when it comes to my edges, at least for me. I gotta let these sit and put on my work t-shirt too. Looks pretty good to me. All right, I gotta leave. So now I'm going in with, it's Cream of Nature, argan oil. It's an anti-humidity gloss because it is raining today. I don't want my hair frizzing up. It also smells really good. Alrighty guys, but that concludes today's video. I hope you liked it. I love my hair. I think the verdict is this will be my new wash and go, because if it looks like this on day one, like this is gonna be eaten throughout the week. If you do want to see how my hair looks out the week, I will be posting it on my TikTok. I guess I'll put a little short here as well on YouTube. Yeah, so just stay tuned for that. And then let me get y'all a good little view of my hair. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like it up, please subscribe if you want to see me style my natural hair more, and I will see you in the next video.